Monterey V10 Plus.
What is going on, guys? I'm Wes Ergo, and today we're leaving the Westin in Long Beach. Everybody's just about ready to go. But I've always wanted to ride a scooter, like a Lime scooter or a Bird scooter, and we don't have them in Wichita, of course, so there's one sitting right here. I'm gonna run across the road really fast. Oh no, it's the wrong one, it's a Bird. And I set up the Lime app last night. Hopefully Monterey has Lime. I've basically lost my voice at this point because when you're in the Huracan, you're trying to yell over the car while you're making pulls and stuff like that. You can't hear anything, so you're just screaming at each other, and I'm drinking as much water as I can. It's not helping. I found some scooters, let's go. I know half the internet's mad about these things and where they get parked and just left all over the street. So Long Beach has a scooter drop zones, which is kind of cool, honestly. All right, we did it. The app setup for these things is ridiculous, and you have to spend like forever setting them up, but it's time to go scooter around.
What up, Emma?
What's up?
All right, Steve, go wreck this thing.
We can ride a valet ticket for the day if you guys want. We're all gonna leave.
You gotta start a little bit and then push go. Yeah, you gotta like give it a little bit.
One of those rentals.
Fine, I'll do it. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, no, man, we gotta keep this side open so we can get the cars.
Give it a little push.
We got a bigger car telling you where they are. I think it's out of gas.
No, it's completely full. There you go.
Rally live.
Super weak burnout. All right, I'm gonna put this up. Let's get out of here.
It's a spider. Yeah.
The Goodyear blimp.
That was close.
That's what you call a full send.
Did you get it on video?
I didn't have it on video, but I saw your car hop up on that like rounded curb and you just launched around.
Oh, dude, because I was like, crap, running out of road.
Yeah, you were.
Yeah, it wasn't flat either.
Everyone just got pulled over. Watch the video. The blue Huracan Spider's down. Mad Attack's Huracan's down. We think the Aventador's down.
Oh, the vendor's down.
Yeah, cops everywhere.
Blue Lambo's down.
Yep.
That's crazy.
Thank you, brother.
I've never seen the 796 version. They got another one of us right there. They're just pulling over everybody.
Hey, slow down, sir.
All right, we're here in the Thousand Oaks Mall, regrouping. Got everybody here for the most part. Ryan and them got pulled over. Matt got pulled over. This 570 got pulled over. The blue Huracan Spider got pulled over.
We didn't.
You did?
We ducked in the tractor trailer.
Good job.
It's
good
that
job.
wrap color.
Yep.
Smart car.
Did you guys get pulled over?
No, he got pulled over.
You were mobbing in front of us.
Yeah, he got pulled over.
That sucks. Oh, that sucks. So the report is they shut this highway down. We're on the 101 to catch this Audi. I hope everyone slows down here. We got one of those fancy police escorts. Check it out. He's just driving along in front of us now. Okay, we made a quick gas stop in the middle of nowhere. It's some little Chevron that only has 3 pumps and it's so busy because it's on the PCH. We had a police escort for probably 50 miles, right? Almost a full hour. We had a CHP in front of us with their lights on and off, turning the radar on and off, setting off all our radar detectors, just driving. It was kind of entertaining, but it's tough to go that slow. And they caught Steve's Huracan too. He was pulled over and out of the car. Not like arrested out of the car, but definitely out of the car, like dealing with stuff. So everybody, they caught everybody. All right, we're here for lunch, Great American Fish Company in Morrow Beach, but I have to walk out on this pier because it is awesome. Check it out, guys. We are on the ocean. This thing's nice. Full setup, big radar bridge, plenty of lighting. That's the fishing boat right there. Also a little nuclear power plant right there. But let's go eat. I'm starving. I told you guys we had a police escort for like 50 miles, and the way they did that was one CHP car would be in front of us with its lights on, and it would just drive forever and ever and ever, and then another one would show up down like an on-ramp, and the other one would turn off, and the other guy would turn on his lights and just drive in front of us. So rotating police escort all the way down the 101 and then the PCH. V4S. Great American Fish Company fell through. Actually the owner was in there, was like, our kitchen can never keep up with this. We're never gonna get you guys food. So we're going to the next place.
That's my third today, bro.
Third ticket today?
Third ticket today. We've only been driving 2 hours.
I know, and we gotta drive the whole rest of the day.
Rally line.
Lunch was delicious. We had Harbor Hut. We gave up on the other place. Harbor Hut was really good. We had fish and chips. The view was awesome. The whole restaurant's actually really nice. Let's head back out to the car. This drive is insane. You're just staring at the ocean. You're hundreds of feet over the ocean the whole time, looking at the waves. Here, let's walk over here. Nice G-Wagon. You never see G-Wagons covered in dirt. All right, this is cool. You ready for this? Ocean as far as you can see. We have arrived in Monterey. We're here at the Monterey Plaza Hotel and Spa. The ocean's right there. This is where Gold Rush puts Fuel Run and all the exotics that, you know, Koenigsegg's parked up and down the street. So it's kind of a cool place to be.
I'm not allowed to talk about other animals.
Oh yeah, you're not allowed to talk about, you can't talk about Gold Rush when you're on Corsa. Oh. What was I? It was a killer day of driving all the way up the one and just staring at the ocean and mountains beside us the entire day. And now we're tired. So that is it for today, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time. This Alpina B7 has the magic carpet of lights that illuminates your way into the car. It's so cool. But look what happened to the mirror. It's terrible. It even broke the glass. The mirror cap's gone. The mirror's gone. Sad. Oh, that is a hotel view. Check this out, guys. Get ready. That's untouchable, and there's like penthouse suites. The gym overlooks the ocean up there, and there's glass balconies up there. This is sweet. I can't wait to see the room.